Today, happy Christmas to all. I wish everyone happy Christmas. I wish everybody to happy Christmas. I wish you to happy Christmas. I wish all Christian to Christmas. I wish somebody to Christmas. This is joy to today and Christmas. Every people worship in God. Today, the Christmas of remembering the birth of Jesus. Thanks to all. I can pray for all to Christians. I can pray for all peoples. I can pray for all families. I can pray for joy in peoples and in families, in nations. I can pray for the birth of Jesus. I can pray for everyone in happy. I can pray for somebody in happy in Christmas. May God bless to all. God in you. God with you. May God bless you. May God bless everyone. May God bless somebody. May God bless peoples. May God bless all people. May God bless every Christians and all nations and all peoples. This is Christmas Day. The birth of Jesus in everybody. The birth of Jesus everyone. The birth of Jesus somebody. The birth of Jesus in we, they, me, you. Thank you to all peoples. And today, birth of the Jesus. Merry Christmas and Merry Christmas and Christmas of all to people. May God bless you. This is my prayer for everyone. Thank you. Thank you.